Google paid search. Is it one big ripoff? You go to Google AdWords, you go to the keyword tool, you get a whole bunch of keywords, you create a campaign, you throw some budget, and a month later, Bupkis. Hey, well, there is a lot that goes into a paid search program to make it successful. But the most important thing is the one most people completely overlook. And that is that Google is the ultimate collision of an algorithm with humanity. If you're just looking for words from the keyword tool, you're relying on the algorithm alone. You're not looking at the human element. So before you even begin your program, this is the key thing that you need to do. Think about your customer's inflection point. That is the moment when they are in so much agony that they go looking for a solution. And they go to Google to do the research to find the solution. Now, think about how they frame that pain. Think about how they articulate it. How do they express it? Now, this isn't as easy as it seems. You have to really listen to your customer. Let me tell you a quick story that exemplifies some of the complexity. Let's make believe that I have a diner and I sell green eggs and ham. And everyone in town knows Deb's Diner's got the best green eggs and ham. But when tourists come to town, I never see them. Why? Well, because if you're from the South, you call it Chartreuse Eggs Pork. And if you're a lefty from Berkley, California, you call it Ova Oink. Okay, this may make up half of my market, and I may lose them because I'm not using Ova Oink or Chartreuse Eggs Pork. I want those customers, don't you? So here is your assignment. You and your team and your salespeople and your customer service people, give them all a big stack of Post-it notes and ask them all for the next 30 days to listen really carefully to the customers that they are speaking with and to write down the exact words used by your customers to describe the problems that they're having. The exact words. Then take those Post-it notes and put them all up on a wall in the office. At the end of a month, you're going to have some really insightful keywords, and you're going to have the human element. You're going to be able to augment that keyword tool with some really good, juicy, powerful search terms. Please subscribe. Please hit the bell so you know when the next great Going for the Big Time video is posted. Follow me on Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn. The works. And until next time, have a great business day.